Somebody said your thoughts on the current job market. And I'll be 100% real with you. And somebody else says, are there job opportunities for remote work? So let me address this first one first. My thoughts on the current job market. It depends on what part of the field. I believe there's still jobs out there. Reason why I know this is because I'm still getting calls on a regular basis. Now it has slowed down in the past, I'll say past year or so. It's slowed down. It's too early days to figure out what's going on with this current market with all the craziness going on. But I am still getting opportunities. Meaning I'm getting calls on a daily basis. I'm getting emails on a daily basis for different jobs in my state, around the country. It has slowed down. I will admittedly, it has slowed down in like the last, I would say 8 months. It hasn't been as great as it was maybe a few years ago. But it depends on the market, I would say. Right now, gov tech is a little bit weird. It's because they're laying a whole bunch of people off and nobody knows where it's going to land. So if I'm being honest, I don't know where that market's. I don't know what that's the market I'm in currently. It'd be easy for me to say, oh, everything's great. It's not. I can't say that. I can't say everything is great. It's definitely you don't know what to do because they keep changing their mind. And there's tariffs today, and then there's no tariffs, and then how's that going to affect job market? And the stocks are up and down and stuff. It's like, what are y'all doing? Like, are we trying to fix the economy? What are we doing here? So it is. I don't know what's going on right now. It's all over the place. I am still getting jobs, so I can't sit here and tell you that there's no jobs. Has it slowed down? Yes, it slowed down probably in the last 8 months or so. Are there jobs out there? Yes, there's still opportunities out there. So keep trying. I know that it's a little bit discouraging sometimes with all this craziness going on, but keep your eyes on the prize. Don't get too sucked in some of the narratives that are out there, even left or right narratives. Don't get too look at the reality, right? Look at the reality of what's going on. Is it more difficult to find jobs? I've heard that some folks are having some real difficulties getting jobs, and I'm not trying to take away from their pain. I'm sure that that's the case.